how to add page in Google Sites. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. For today's video, we will be talking about Google Sites, which is one of the features of Google. Now over here right now, I am currently on the home page of Google Sites. So what we're going to do is we're going to open a website that we have created, which is this one over here. This is just a sample site that we will be able to use for our demonstration today. Over here on the right side, you will be able to see Insert, Pages, and Themes over here. You're simply going to click on Pages over here, click on this plus button. You will be able to add a new menu section, a full page embedded, or a new link over here. You could choose any of this option. You could choose a simple new page. Do that, and we could add a new page, for example, testing. Just like that. You could do advanced settings over here, like a custom path. But for now, we're going to click on Done. And as you can see, we have testing over here, and it will automatically add a navigation bar on the top page as well. And you will be able to navigate between them together over here. And that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.